Hello world, welcome back to program Progressive Programming with me, Heda. If you haven't seen the previous episode, I have added the link in the description below. Check it out after this video. In this video, we dive deep into the importance of package structure in Spring Boot and how it helps you build clean, maintainable and scalable Java microservices. Before wasting much time, let's begin. Imagine you enter a house where the kitchen utensils are in the bedroom, clothes and dresses are in the fridge, and the TV remote is in the bathroom. You would be confused, right? Now imagine a person walks in and tries to find anything or everything, they would run away in 2 minutes. That's exactly what happens when a Spring Boot project doesn't follow a proper package structure. Controllers are mixed with services, models with repositories, and soon, right, your clean project turns into a junkyard. Similarly, when your code is scattered, your productivity drops. Your debugging time increases and your time delivery slows down. This is what every new developer feels when they open an unstructured project. No one knows where to start, or what to change, or how it even connects. You waste a lot of hours figuring out what should have been obvious. Good structure saves your team, your time and your sanity. This is what we call it as a domino effect in the industry, right? To solve this, we have to properly structurize on what we are actually building. But when you try to structurize your project neatly, something magical happens. You can trace logic in seconds, your team works in harmony, your CI/CD pipelines stay clean, and onboarding a new developers becomes effortless and smooth as before. It is just like designing a house. Your package design decides the comfort and growth of your application. The best part is we have to learn the right way to structure your project. It is very similar to 1 BHK to full-blown enterprise villa architecture. Think of your application like a house. A small app can be like a 1 BHK, maybe just a controller and a service. A growing app is like a 2 BHK, controller, service and DAO. A large enterprise app that's a 3 BHK or even a villa, you will add models, DTOs, utilities, business layers, configs and more. So in a distributed system, each microservices is like a building in a city. If one building is well designed and another is messy, the city loses its balance. Similarly, in microservices, consistency in package structure helps in faster debugging, deployment and scalability. Let's quickly see this in action. We'll create a simple microservices with controller, service and model and you will see how neat packaging makes your life easier. Before we jump into the demo, let's do something different. From this video onwards, we will start building a real-time e-commerce application step by step throughout our video series. To begin, we will create a clean and organized package structure, and then we will build a simple endpoint that returns a list of laptops as an illustration. Also, I have already shown you how to create a Spring Boot starter project in one of my previous videos, right? So if you have not watched it yet, please check it in the description below to get that insight before continuing. Let's begin. So first we will create a package called controller, and let's name the controller maybe a product service controller. Now let's create one more package called service, and let's name it as product service, and this is going to the business logic for our service layer. Now let's create a model, package called model, and let's name it as product. Good. Now let's go back to our controller. Okay, this is a package. So let's go back to our controller. Let's annotate it with @REST controller to ensure Spring Boot takes care of this annotation as a controller. Now let's create a request mapping, and we will say product hyphen service / API. This is the right standard to give the request mapping. Now let's create a method public response entity, and let's return a list of product as we discussed before. Let's plan to return a list of laptops, right? So let's response entity. Now maybe we will give a name like fetch all laptops. Fetch laptops, right? And that's all. We are good. Now let's rename. Let's give the return type as response entity dot OK, and for now let's return null, right? So yeah. Now we will go back to our service layer, and we will mark it as @service to ensure Spring Boot takes care of this, and we will create a method called public list. So we have to provide the return type. So list of product, and let's call it as get all laptops, and we will have a static method that's going to give me the list of products, product, and we will use a product builder using the lambda annotation. So products dot add product builder dot build. Now we will create a list of projects to optimize time. So I'm creating dummy objects. Yeah. So let's rename it to 2, 3, 4, and let's give a name like we will give Apple. We will change the color, right? So we will create midnight blue, and we will just do the price. We will change the pitch black, and we will give a different name, 3, and we will give we will change it to rose petal. Oh my god, it's product type, so we will give it in the color section. So rose petal, and also we will change the price. Okay, we'll give 1 lakh. Yeah. So yeah, now we will return the list of products. Let's go back to this particular method. We will call get all products. So this particular service is going to call the get all products. That's it. It's all good. Let's go back to controller. Yeah. Now we'll create. We will auto wire that service. So the product service. Now we will create. We will call this product service here. So it's going to be list of products, and products equal to product service dot get all laptops. That's it. So we'll put it in the. Let's run the service. Super. That's all I have for today. So friends, remember, a well-planned package structure is like a well-built home. It saves you from chaos and keep your system scalable and future ready. This is the secret behind strong microservices. Until next time, this is Ram signing off from program one code, one line at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more cinematic coding stories. Thank you very much.